Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I will teach you about the df command in Linux or Unix based system. So if I see the main short fetch of df, it says report file system disk space usage. So the df command is used to create a complete report of the currently available storage and display it on the screen on the terminal. So if I type df, it displays a lot of information, and these are the file system as they call it, and one of them is pressure not permitted, so permission denied. So if I use sudo mdf, this time this is going to show me all the uh, files or storage that is available currently in this system. So this is the storage type name, and then this is uh, the space, and this in bytes, and this is the use space. So this space, they are displaying this in bytes, so let's convert this to kilobytes or megabytes so that we can read it. Let's make it we can say more human readable. So for that, to the df command we can first take h flag, which will make it human readable. So now as you can see, 12 megabytes as the total size and 12 megabytes as used, they are now more readable for us as a humans. So now the first one is 2.9 gigabits and 0 bits or 0 megabytes as used and available as 2.9 gigs. This means that this is completely empty, and here they are showing the usage in percentage. So some of them are completely full and some of them are empty. So the df command is used display the disk usage and display complete report of the disk. So as you can see, report file system disk space usage. So for more information of the df command, as always I recommend to view the main page of the command. So just type main and then df, and it will show all the information regarding this. They have some other flags as well, you can check this out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. And yes, make sure to like and subscribe to this channel.